Today I'm going to utilize a cell phone because I think it's a little bit easier and most people would use it, especially a case manager in the home, because this app was designed for case managers actually to use in the home. Once you upload it, you'll have an icon like this on your device and you just have to press it where it says Surf and the app will open. Now, if you're a first-time user, you're going to have to accept terms and conditions, which is standard with any application, which says that you're not going to try to use it for financial purposes. SurfMed's not, so we don't think you should either. But it's very simple. You say yes to the terms and conditions, and then you come to this login page. Here you've got to enter your email and your password. They'll actually ask you to enter your password again to confirm it. But we need your email in order to send you the information that results after you take your members through the series of questions we're about to get into now. Once you log in, you'll come to the home page. Now this main page will open every time you open the app once you're first registered in the device that you were using previously. As you see in the top left corner, it says Nutrition Calculator. We're actually not going to be reviewing that in this video. We're going to talk about the Guide to Incontinence Care. As you see, it says Find Products, and that's where you need to click first. Once you do, you'll start with the series of questions that I had just mentioned. The first question is the member's gender. So let's say that the member is female. So I'm going to answer the question by clicking on that bubble. And as you see, the bubble turns white, so you know exactly the answer that you put in to the selection tool. Then move forward. I'm going to press the word Next. Now let's say I was in the member's home and I pressed the wrong button. I shouldn't have said female, the member's a male. So that's easy. I can just go and press the back button. By the way, Restart takes me back to the home page, but here I'm just going to press back. It'll take me back, and I'm going to change the member's gender to male. And then I press Next again. Now it asks me the member's incontinence issue. Let's see that this member has urinary and fecal incontinence combined. So again, we press the bubble, it turns white, and then we press the Next button. Now it asks the member's activity level. As you see, it says very active, leaves home every day, moderately active, minimally active, homebound, bedbound. I'm going to say this member is minimally active. They have urinary and fecal incontinence. They probably don't leave the home that often. And so we're going to say they leave around 3 times a week. I'm going to press Next. Now it asks the member's incontinence issue. This is rarely one time a day, 2 or 3 times, 4 or more. Let's say it's fairly standard. The member has 2 or 3 times of incontinence issues per day. We hit that button and we press Next. Members' urinary incontinence severity. This more has to do with obviously their urinary incontinence, but and when it's fecal incontinence, we already know it's the most severe. But let's say the member has intermittent flow. Now it asks the member's pant size. As you see, everything from extra small to XXX 40 inch and above. By the way, SurfMed has products up to 102 inches, but this is for more standard sizes. For a man, it would be an inch size, like a waist size, but for women, it would be a dress size. So here we say large and say the gentleman's 34 inches. And we press Next. Here, you see it says time period authorized. Now this is how often the member wants to receive the product at their home. Monthly, every month, quarterly, biannually. Let's say that the member has urinary and fecal incontinence, so they get a lot of supplies. They want to receive it monthly. The last question says the number of months authorized. Now this is a drop down. How many months would you like to authorize? And typically, let's say the member you're going to authorize for 3 months. So 3 months. And then you see the button at the bottom, it says Submit, and it's in green. Now Submit means you're going to send it to SurfMed, and the information will go through our algorithms, comparing it to thousands of tens and 20, 30,000 members and their incontinence histories, and come up with exactly what the member needs. So I'm going to press Submit. When I do so, the product list comes forward. As you see, it has recommended products. So according to our system, this member needs adult diapers, moderate absorbency. They need large. This is the proper code, the T4523. There's a modifier for billing if you want to use that. And then we've got total units. The units is how many are needed for the 3 months, 270, and that is equivalent to 15 packs. For nighttime use, it suggests that the member receive overnight diapers. Now that would be T4523, the same as above, but it's an overnight, so it's an extra absorbent. And they need one for every night, and that's equivalent to 5 packs. Also, it lists additional supplies that are appropriate for this member's condition. So as you see, it lists wipes, skin barrier ointment, AD ointment, and also gloves. Now let's say that the member has been hoarding gloves for years, as some members do, so you realize they don't need gloves. So you click on the radial buttons here, you remove the checks, and then those won't be part of the official order. So you still have your recommended list. It's very simple to get to you. Just click here and you press send email. Now the email I listed earlier is my email, so you see Sean at SurfMed, and I can send it to me. So I will press OK and forward the information to me. And it tells me my email was successfully sent. So now I know that my email, the information on this about this member, has been forwarded to me. This is easy for you to see, and it doesn't just give you this recommended list, but it gives you the answers to all the questions that were already posted, even the time that the survey was taken, etc. So it's very helpful in that regard. Say I wanted to send it somewhere else, maybe to Utilization Management Department, I can come in and I can actually change the email to anywhere I want to send it. I won't at this time though, so I'll return. Now I'm done with this member and I want to restart. So I want to go back to the home page, so I'll hit right here, restart. As you see, it says, are you sure you'd like to return to the beginning? Because you're going to lose all progress. Well, you've already emailed it to yourself successfully, so you can return to the home page. So you press OK. And now this is where you would start again. It's very easy to use for male, for female. Answer the questions, and it will give you the results. And those codes and those unit counts are applicable to any provider you want to work with in the country. Of course, we'd like you to work with SurfMed, but that's your choice. Thank you for paying attention, and we hope that you have a good day.